Another aspect of security threats to consider is threats to confidentiality. One aspect of confidentiality is secrecy. Secrecy means that data cannot be understood by others, and typically secrecy is accomplished with encryption with an argument that the data can only be read by those who know the decryption key. With symmetric encryption, you have a shared key, which means that you need to trust the receiver to keep the secret key actually a secret. In a widely distributed embedded system, this can be an issue because while a central server might be trustworthy with a secret key, if every system in the fleet has the same secret key for receiving information, an attacker only needs to reverse engineer one system to retrieve the secret key and then be able to impersonate the central server. With asymmetric encryption, which is public plus private key pairs, a central server would have a private key used to encrypt information, and the individual systems would only have the public key to decrypt. In that case, reverse engineering one of the systems that's been sold only enables an adversary to receive information but not transmit it. With public key encryption, if you're concerned about whether or not the transmitter is authentic, if you have public key infrastructure, you can use that to establish the identity and authenticity of the central server doing the transmission. A property related to secrecy and confidentiality is privacy. Privacy is a little bit different than secrecy. For privacy, the contents of a message are not necessarily secret. What should be secret, though, is the association between that data and an individual or entity who sent the data. Encryption might only be a part of this. For example, an encrypted message that comes from one point to another might make the contents of the message secret, but might not make it secret who sent data to someone else. In telecommunications, there's the issue of metadata, such as which phone number called which other phone number. Even though the contents of the message might be entirely secret, just knowing who's talking to who can breach privacy.